Hello and welcome. My name is Christian Urdl. I'm working at Orthorobot in customer service. Today I'd like to show you our new 3D setup review process. Before we at Orthorobot position any brackets, we send you as our client a virtual 3D model of the target setup, which is also the treatment objective. After having checked the setup model, you can then request changes or approve the model for the bracket positioning. I'm now going to give you a short introduction to the review software and show you how you can use it. When the target setup is completed at Orthorobot, you get an email from us. In it you find a short description of the review software and a link for downloading the 3D model together with the viewer. Normally the file will be around 20 megabytes, so depending on the connection, the download might take a little time. So now this one is completed. How you actually open the file depends on the browser you are using. I'm using Firefox here, which lets me open the file with a right click. Windows 7 asks for confirmation that I want to open this executable file for security reasons. You won't get these questions from older versions of Windows. I confirm with clicking on Yes. The file opens with this window where I have to click on OK to proceed. The extraction of the 3D model and the viewer software begins when I click on Start. Extraction has finished and the viewer opens automatically. We have the navigation on the left. And in most cases you will only find one type of model there, which is the Cast Permanent 3D. I choose that one and the model appears in the viewer. I can now click into the model, and while holding the click I can move the model. If I click and hold the yellow dot in the middle, I move the model without rotating it. By clicking outside the model, I'm able to rotate it around one axis only. In the lower left corner you find a button with arrows on it. It opens a window where you can choose advanced viewing options. This is the window. The most important thing here is the object list. It enables you to choose a single jaw to view. I will pick the mandibular and move it into the occlusal view. And of course, the same is possible with the maxilla. Now, the second thing I'm going to show you are the cutting planes. You see the buttons labeled X, Y, and Z. These enable planes which cut through the model in their respective dimension. I'll click on the X button and there you have a cutting plane through the model. You can also move these planes through the model by clicking and holding the arrow next to the buttons and moving the mouse to the right and left. The same is possible for the Y plane and the Z plane. And the leftmost button resets the model to its original state. If you're happy with the setup and you would like us to proceed with the bracket positioning, or if you would like to have changes made to the setup, just send us a short note. Well, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.